Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new leads from TikTok to Ecwid. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from TikTok to other systems. For example, in Ecwid you can add new orders and conveniently work with them in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, TikTok. Now, select the system where you want to transfer new leads from TikTok. In this case, select Ecwid, create order. At this stage you need to connect your TikTok account to the Save My Leads service. In this window you must specify the login and password of your TikTok personal account. At this stage you need to give Save My Leads access to work with your TikTok account. All access checkboxes must be enabled. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Next, you need to select an advertising page and form. After that, click Continue. At this stage, you need to connect your Ecwid account to the Save My Leads service. In this window, you need to specify the login and password of your Ecwid personal account. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Now you see the Ecwid fields for creating new orders. You can assign variables from TikTok to these fields. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables, but also enter values manually. When all the necessary fields are filled in, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Ecwid in the form of new orders, with each new lead from TikTok. If you are not satisfied with something, click back and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Ecwid. After successful sending, go to Ecwid and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from TikTok to be instantly transferred to Ecwid as new orders, you need to enable auto update. For this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the name of the connection, you can do this in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.